Today, we're featuring the ultimate fall treat, super delicious spiced pumpkin muffins with cream cheese frosting. We'll begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Place your muffin liners in a 12-cup muffin tin. We will sift together 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Next, we will cut in the 1/4 cup butter pieces until the butter is fully incorporated. One common pitfall is not using enough spice. So we have added the perfect amount of these glorious spices to our batter, along with a hint of salt to bring out their flavors. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1 egg, and 1½ teaspoon vanilla extract. We're going to pour the pumpkin mixture into the flour mixture, basically adding the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. One of the biggest mistakes when making pumpkin muffins is overmixing the batter. Overmixing can lead to tough, dense muffins. Pour the batter into the muffin cup liners or into the greased muffin tin, and then pop them into the oven. Bake the spiced muffins for 25 minutes until light golden brown. Allow the muffins to cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then remove the muffins from the pan to cool completely. We can now start working on our cream cheese frosting. It's the perfect complement to our moist and flavorful pumpkin muffins. Combine 1/4 cup softened salted butter, 4 ounces or half a block softened cream cheese, 2 cups powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Once the whipped consistency is attained, spread your cream cheese frosting onto your completely cooled muffins. Remember that you can store the frosting in the fridge. Super delicious spiced pumpkin muffins with cream cheese frosting. It's the ultimate fall treat. And if you haven't yet, click the subscribe button for more delicious ideas. Thanks for tuning in.